Comedy is hard. Comedy hard though. So comedy shows are not coming with manual. You can't pick on the audience. But I don't know if I can pick on Nigeria because this country needs picking. Comedy hard though, very hard, difficult job. For example, now I'll be given 4 minutes to make you laugh. And one politician go for 4 years. Nobody under and go laugh. And some people will always tell me, Kodo, why when you're performing, why you dey slow? Like say our economy fast. So man, the fast pass full country. Who am I? What have I achieved? People won't say it, but I believe life is all about 2 categories of people: the successful and the unsuccessful. Experts will tell you there's middle class. I don't believe in middle class. The unsuccessful people, I divided them into 3 categories: the unsuccessful, the very unsuccessful, and the very, very unsuccessful. If you are not successful, you are not successful. There's nothing like average. Because growing up, if we ask our dad, are we rich? We'll say, no, we're average. If you are average, you can go broke. So you are not there yet. It's either you are there or you are here. Even in the world, we have first world countries, second world countries: US, Australia, China, Nigeria, third world. Some countries, they fourth world. Some even they fifth world. Nigeria have successful states, unsuccessful states. Even this show, we have successful people, unsuccessful people. And my jokes have been tailored for successful people. So if you are not laughing, work hard. So that you can meet up with these jokes. Work. The day when I start to make you laugh, you are there. You are there. That's it. True. People won't say it, but the major problem in Nigeria is overpopulation. We're too many. We're too much, but they won't say it. That's one of the reasons Nigeria is like this: overpopulation. We are so much. Last week here for Lugbe, NEPA caught NEPA light. Country. I tell you about NEPA on the say things about NEPA. Last week here when SARS arrest SARS. The guy called, they say, Babi, your colleague is saying, but you know they duty. Now who they duty they arrest? I got disturb my work. For next time you wear uniform. We are too much, we are too many. Overpopulation. One of my guy, out of frustration, he said he wants to join court because people too many. In those days, courtism was a secret thing. If you want to do ritual, it's sacred. Now, too many. All the things are full. Good work, bad work, everything is overpopulated. The engineers full everywhere. If lights spoil now, 3 electrical engineers will not get work. They are here to do it effectively. We are too many. One of my guys saying one join court. They say me bring shorty. How many like this? And we don't know it, but if you make research, you discover that China started becoming a good country when they started controlling their population. There was a time in China you can't give birth to more than 1 child. They even created a belt, government. They invested in a belt. If you buy that belt, you won't know. You'll be having low sperm count. They had to do it. And there was a time Like in 2001, I think they reduced this from 2 to 1. You can't give birth to more than one child. You know, if you work for Delta State now, that can't work in Delta State. Urobo women too born. One of my auntie born. That woman born. No. I go to their house for vacation. They wake me for devotion 9 o'clock. I say, this too late now. This kind of time for our house. If we not do devotion, we not do it again. They say, calm down. Now second service. Second service. If they plan to get third service, so we menu. I'll be smarting with the use offering do for this parish. Overpopulation. In China, they started removing 30% from salaries. You can't do that. If you do that kind of thing for your Yoruba woman, then end of the month, you discover that some men, they owe government salary. Because if they remove 30%, you know how many children born? I asked my auntie, say, why they born many children like this? She said, relax, you know the one going to be president. She did forgetting the history of presidents in Nigeria. You can never be a leader in this country if you are not a firstborn or secondborn. Make your research. That means if you born past 4, from your 5th begin for this country, you don't feel lead anything. Even class prefect, you don't feel good. Like me now, I'm the 7th child. But because on the 7th day, God rested. Now made me the perform with rest. I go get used. I'll get, but I'll not lead anything. If I'll lead the country astray. We menu plenty was so much. And Igbo people, they make this thing worse. Why Igbo people they like this? Why if Igbo man sell wrong thing give you know they agree say that thing not correct? One of my guys go buy drugs, say one buy medicine for headache. 2 weeks later, they feel headache, he go back. The guy complains, say, why still they feel headache? And the guy tell her, say, calm down. Which medicine I sell for you? He said, I'm medicine for headache. Can I bring another one? I said, take this one. He said, what it be this one for? He said, that one when I give you now for headache. This one I against the headache. Igbo people. I'm scared of them. Oh, because of the way guns are expensive now. 2 armed robber group, they gather money, they go buy a gun, 1 gun. There are too many in this country. Two different groups, but they buy 1 gun. So if they want to rob, they rob compounds when they share fence. They enter one man, they say, everybody lie down. They say, boy, where are not going? He say, they the next compound, relax. So my robbers go buy a gun from one Igbo guy. They not test the gun. They reach where they want to rob. They say, everybody lie down, we go shoot to. And they say, me they shoot with the end and cha. They press on Twitter and say, yeah, cha cha. People when they want to rob, because they shy Igbo queen. He called the guy. Igbo boy agree say na wrong thing you say. He said no. Check the memory card. The guy check. Go and get memory card. Put her for laptop. Go discover say all the times when he's supposed to shoot, now pictures he did take. He called the guy. He said, my brother, they see pictures. He said, hey, now. He said, the gun, not they shoot. Would he shoot those pictures? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. That's my time.